Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating salted water and cooking 12 Oz pasta to just al dente. This gives structure once chilled. Meanwhile, pulse 2 cups basil, 1/2 cup olive oil, 1/3 cup grated Parmesan, and 1/4 cup pine nuts until smooth. You want a slightly chunky texture so flavor clings. Once the pasta is nearly done, reserve 1/2 cup pasta water and drain. Toss the hot pasta with a few spoonfuls of pesto to start infusing flavor, not just coating the noodles. You now marry the pasta and pesto. Place the hot, lightly coated noodles in a large bowl and add 2-3 tablespoon reserved pasta water so the sauce emulsifies and clings. Once done, fold in the chopped tomatoes, 1/2 cup olives, and 1/3 cup red onion for texture and brightness. This layering prevents sogginess. Make sure to add 1 tablespoon lemon juice to lift flavors, then taste. Adjust with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes if you want gentle heat. You finish by letting the salad cool 15-30 minutes, then refrigerate 1-2 hours so flavors marry and textures firm up. Once chilled, stir in 1/4 cup torn fresh basil and 2 tablespoon olive oil for gloss. Finish with a shower of Parmesan. Make sure to taste again before serving. If the salad feels dry, add 1-2 tablespoon reserved pasta water and toss. If bland, correct with salt or 1 tsp lemon juice. This step ensures brightness and the right mouthfeel every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.